Hi all. Today I'm with a young lady entrepreneur, Vaishnavi Padmakumar Nair. She is the director of Infosys Academy Cochin. So we can ask her directly how did she start her journey to reach this position in her young age. So hi Vaishnavi.
Hi, Altra.
So tell us, how did you start the journey in your young age?
I used to work in the banking industry in the past, but I wanted to enter the entrepreneurial domain. I've been wanting that for quite some time, and Infosys Academy just paved the path for me to enter the entrepreneurial developmental area as well. Like many young adults, I wanted to travel abroad. I wanted to go abroad as well, but India just has so much opportunities to provide, especially Kerala. And the Infosys Academy paved such an excellent area for me to enter this domain. So that is why I'm here today.
So as you said, loads of students are just moving abroad for their higher studies and job and all. So how you what's your view on that?
Well, the reason why everybody is going abroad or they are traveling a lot these days. It's because there's a lot of job opportunities both globally as well as in India as well. So as I said, there's a lot of opportunities, but somewhere I feel like there is a lack. There are a lot of opportunities, but at the same time, a lot of students they are not getting they're not landing the job that they desire. So one of the reasons why I feel like that's happening is because employers look for a certain skill set. So I feel like this happens a lot in Kerala, especially. Everybody is academically skilled. Like we have the highest literacy rate, as you must know. So regardless of that, they're academically very strong. But how skilled are they when it comes to industrial standards, right? So I feel like that's what Infosys Academy mainly focuses on. We focus on generating that skill set, whether that is in terms of accounting, finance, whether it is software development. We have Tally, we have QuickBooks, we have Microsoft Excel, we have SAP. In SAP itself, we do S4HANA, FICO, MMST. So we provide this sort of integrated grooming where we not just groom them academically, but we also groom them professionally so that they get employed really well. So that's what I think.
Okay. So Vaishnavi, tell me what type of students are actually enrolled there at Infosys Academy?
We have a variety of students that enroll at Infosys Academy. Whether in terms of geographically, we have students flooding in from all over Kerala, in all 14 districts of Kerala, we have students coming from. We also have students coming from different states to join Infosys Academy, and we have a lot of our students who live abroad as well. So we have designated online classes that helps them educate. So we have students globally. We have undergraduates, we have graduates, we have MBA students, we even have working professionals that train from us at Infosys Academy.
Okay, so tell me about the curriculum plan or the training program that you're providing there for students in Infosys Academy.
At Infosys Academy, we focus mainly on providing an integrated course. So we start with basic accounting. So we thoroughly believe that having a strong foothold when it comes to accounting and finance is very important if they have to be placed. So we start with basic accounting where we thoroughly train the students in accounting and finance. And then later we move on to live projects. So under live projects, we have the students train, and we have the students tackle and deal with live projects of various companies, which is situated both globally as well as in India as well. So that's what we deal with next. And later on, we have statutory training. So under statutory training, we train them in taxation, income tax, TDS, GST. And for those of students who plan on going abroad, so let's say they want to go to UAE countries, or Gulf countries, and Arab countries. So they deal with UAE VAT. So we have thorough training. We train our students thoroughly when it comes to UAE VAT and all those things as well. Once the students have gained practical hands-on experience in the industry, then we move ahead to our computerized or our software ERP system training that we provide in Infosys Academy. So under that, we give certifications and we train them in multiple softwares such as Tally Prime, Advanced Microsoft Excel, Sage 50, QuickBooks, and SAP S4HANA. So nowadays, most of the MNCs and corporate companies, they use ERP systems to do all of their accountings and finance transactions. So one of the largest ERP systems in the world is SAP, and we train them in the most latest version of SAP, which is S4HANA. So under SAP itself, we provide 3 modules: SAP FICO, which is the finance module, and SAP MM, which is materials management, and SD, which is sales and distribution. So what happens is when they do not just focus on one aspect, because in an enterprise, in an organization, they not just have finance, they'll have materials, they'll have sales. So we provide an integrated program in which they cover everything, so that if an organization wants accountants in the area of finance, then they have actively trained and skilled workforce in finance. And if they would require to have employment in sales and distribution, then they have actively trained workforce in sales and distribution. So you are equipped as a student. Everybody and all of our students are equipped to work in all aspects of finance, all aspects of accounting by doing our integrated program in Infosage Academy.
Okay.
So in MNCs and corporate companies, one of the main requirements is that you have a strong communication skills. Now, why is that really important? It's really important because you are to license not just with clients and not just with departments in India, but or just in Kerala. You require to license with people who are outside of the state of Kerala. So there would be a language barrier, right? You are required to license with other geographical areas of the world. So for that, you need to have a strong communication skills. You should have leadership qualities. You should have, you should have that hand over the verbal communication that you have. So for that, Infosage Academy has a really trained, really skilled and really experienced team that will facilitate and sort of groom the students in interview techniques, their communication skills, for their group discussions and for their interviews. So that when they're not just academically skilled, they are also technically skilled after our software applications, and now after this training, they're also skilled in their communication and interview techniques. So once they are done with the integrated program, they are fully holistically trained in such a way that when they go for an interview, they can immediately crack it. Because when an interviewer, whenever a company is looking at it, they sort of qualify all the checklists.
So, what about the placement assurance that you are providing to the students after the training program at Infosage?
So, at Infosage Academy, we have a strong designated placement wing that is dedicated for placements. So, we provide 100% guarantee for all of our students. So, once you're skilled in Infosage Academy, once you've trained in Infosage Academy, you are qualified and you're skilled enough to get placed both globally as well as internationally. We also have a strong designated placement wing that provides all sorts of help and all sorts of assurance when it comes to getting placed both globally and internationally.
So, can you tell us more about Infosage Academy?
Infosage Academy is a training institute, as you already know. So, we have a history of about 20 years. So I personally am second generation of trainers over here in Infosage Academy. We have had over 50 plus of trainers and institutes. So most of our trainers are chartered accountants, finance managers and corporate trainers. So we have a whole team set to train, develop and to excel all the students who enroll here at Infosage Academy. And we have about 4 campuses over here in Kochi in Kerala. And we have students that are flying in from all over India and from all the districts of Kerala. We have international students enrolling with us, taking up our online platforms as well. So yeah, that's about Infosage Academy.
What are about the future plans of Infosage Academy?
So currently Infosage Academy train accountants and finance managers over here, but we plan on diversifying that. So we have started initiating new courses into our curriculum as well, whether it is in terms of logistics, IT, fashion technology, digital marketing and much more. So now we plan on inviting and training and grooming students in multiple other industries and areas of studies as well.
So thank you so much, Vaishnavi. It was really great time with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you as well.